What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today I am going to show you how to make a really fast, easy and simple recipe. Something, let's say you come home from work and you just don't want to be in the kitchen for too long. You just want to get something on the table fast. Well, this is the recipe for you. Now, if you're here watching me cooking for your very first time and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And then turn on the post notification settings so you will always know when I upload a brand new video. And for all my returning goodies, big up on yourself. Straight. Let's get cooking.
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
How to cook food challenges like a chef, picture style. You ready for the quick thing? Well, come on, let's cook. Okay, goodie, let's cook. I have my chicken right here, chicken thighs actually, that has been nicely washed with salt, lemon juice and vinegar, right? You want to make sure, say, you do that. Always wash your chicken with salt, lemon juice and vinegar. And I love to use apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, that's okay. Just use whatever you could find. Now, this recipe, I'm going to leave the skin on for this recipe. Now, if you don't want the skin on, you could leave it off. Just take it off. Now, to season up the meat, you need salt and black pepper to get it started. And again, this is a picture video. I'm gonna give it nice and spicy same way. Now go ahead and add some garlic powder, and you're gonna add some onion powder, and all other things that I'm gonna use for the recipe are gonna be listed down below. I'm going to spice it up, sweeten it up with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add some paprika to it for color. Then we're gonna put some chicken seasoning because I'm cooking chicken, poultry. So yeah, after I put all of them spices that on the chicken, and that is what the chicken are gonna look like, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit and marinate for about 30 minutes because I am the 30 minutes girl. Moving right along, in a frying pan, I added some oil to it because we are going to start off the chicken by giving it a nice little golden brown color. But I did use extra virgin olive oil just in case you guys want to know. Now, once you place the chicken into the frying pan, be sure to turn the chicken skin side down. If you are not using the skin on the chicken, skinless, you still want to turn it on that side anyway. Now allow the chicken to fry on both sides for a total of 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. When you are complete with that step, that is the color that the chicken is going to have, a nice golden brown. Now I did go in and add some fresh garlic to it. It's going to give it flavor. Now to that, you want to have some soy sauce at hand, some honey, and general toy sauce, Asian sauce. These are the three sauce that I use for the chicken, but you could always substitute that barbecue sauce for anything. Once you place that on the chicken, this is what you're going to have. The gravy is going to come together. Be sure that your fire is on medium heat. You don't want to cook it too fast. Let it simmer. And I did go in and add some parsley. If you want to add fresh parsley, go ahead and add fresh parsley. But I did go in and add some fresh parsley to it, like I'm showing you here. And I let it simmer for an additional 20 minutes. And yeah, it was done. It didn't take very long. 10 minutes of frying time, 20 minutes of cooking time. That was done. Now moving along again, this is what I decided to do because we want to make this thing quick. I had some veggie pasta here, and I let it boil for a total of about 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes, something like that, around that. So, and then I just drained the water off. I did add a little bit of salt to it though. And so I drained the water off, and I was ready to give it some nice little touch, restaurant style type of thing. Quick, right? Now, what I did was go in and get some chicken breast strips that I bought from my Aldi supermarket, and you can also find this in Walmart as well. I just went ahead, give it a good rinse, thawed it out just like that, and then cut it into smaller pieces so it will just all blend in with the pasta. Now, if you don't want to go this route, you could use any other kind of meats that you want to use. But just go ahead and just add it into the pasta like that. Now we are going to give it a flavor. So what I decided to do was get some onions and bell pepper and chop it up in my food processor. And all I did was just add it to the mix. This I bought from my Aldi supermarket, the cream Alfredo sauce, and you can find it in any other supermarket. Most of the things that I'm using here is from the Aldi store. I went in and I added all of that to the mix. Now, we have our chicken and our onions and bell pepper and the Alfredo sauce to the pasta. Now we have to spice it up. So I use black pepper, a little bit of salt, some fresh parsley, paprika, and just a tad bit of all-purpose seasoning. That's what we have here, and I will list everything that I use for the recipe down in my description box downstairs, goodie, so it daddy. Now remember, again, you could use dry parsley for it like I did, or go ahead and grab you some fresh parsley. It doesn't matter, just as long as you had parsley to it. And after you combine everything together, that is what it will look like. But I wasn't quite done with it. I wanted to give it a little bit more restaurant feel, right? Because remember, we are cook like a chef, goodie, right? Now, I love my mozzarella cheese, my shredded mozzarella cheese. Use whatever you want to use, but this is what your girl grab. I went ahead and just sprinkle my mozzarella cheese into the mix. Remember, we are cooking like a chef, right? We are cook like a chef. So we just go ahead and throw that in there and mix it and combine it all together. And we're gonna make this fast, and we're gonna make this easy, and we're gonna make this simple. Now, if you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not already, wait upon, go ahead and do so, and turn on your post notification so you won't miss an upload like this one. Now, this is what it looks like after everything is nicely combined. You could sit it in your refrigerator and let it cool and chill and serve, or you could just eat it up just like this, ready to go, like bam. Now, also be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Life as Juliana. The link for that channel will be listed down below. Yes, boo. If you don't see what you want, ask, because your girl is always here to deliver. Now, all of my vegan goodies, there is no more vegan recipes here on this channel. Life as Juliana over there. So there is no more vegan recipes on how to cook. It's Life as Juliana. Go over there and subscribe. The link for the channel will be listed down below. Recipes like this, they are there. And also you will find some good story time, and whatever comes to mind, you're gonna find them over there on my second channel, Life as Juliana. So go over there, goodie, and go ahead and hit that subscribe and turn on your post notification for over the this story time, right? This is not a story time. This was a vlog that I did. It is over there. You don't want to miss it. All my mukbangs, my vegan mukbangs, they are over there. So go ahead, honey, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. LOVE. I am waiting. Now, the giveaway is on hold, so we are not doing the giveaway until this lockdown is all done. So thank you for all your love and support, and I see it and I love it. Now, when we are all said and all done, honey, and we are ready to serve, even though we're up on quarantine, plate up still look nice. Now, we clean kitchen with clean hands. In these difficult times, goodies, be sure that we are practicing social distancing, making sure we are safe, our loved ones are safe, our children are safe, and our friends are safe as well. So be sure to practice social distancing. Okay, so with that said, that is what we have, honey. Make sure that you love the recipe and you are sharing it with friends and family. Tell them what is going on over here. Bring them, come and send them. Come. I am waiting patiently. Right? Don't forget to spread the love in her. We are not selfish over here. Tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!